passing the Red River Valley. He'd sit in the kitchen and he'd cry and run his fingers through 70 years of living and wonder if ever well he drilled had gone dry. With his friends, me and this old man, was like desperados waiting for a train. As soon as I could walk, he'd take me with him to a bar called the Green Frog Cafe. There's old men with big guts playing dominoes, and they's all lying about their lives while they played. And I was just a kid, they called me sidekick. Like desperados waiting for a train. He's a drifter, he's a driller of oil wells. He's an old school man of the world. He taught me how to drive his car when he's too drunk to, and then he'd wink and give me dimes, 'cause I was his girl. Our lives was like some old western movie. It was like desperados waiting for a train. Desperados waiting for a train. One day I looked up, he's pushing 80. He had brown tobacco stains all down his chin. To me he was a hero of this country. So tell me, why is he all dressed up like them old men, drinking beer and playing Moon 42, like a desperado waiting for a train. The day before he died, I went to see him. I was grown and he was almost gone. We closed our eyes and dreamed us up a kitchen, and then he sang another verse of that old song. And he said, yeah, you know, that son of a bitch is coming. We're like a desperado waiting for a train. 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 Thank you.